Welcome to your Intelligent Financial Update for 2025, covering the latest market trends, economic shifts, and expert insights. In this video, you'll learn about global market performance, top sectors, investment trends, and key financial risks. Let's dive into the global market overview. We'll highlight stock market performance, including the S&P 500, NASDAQ, FTSE 100, and Nikkei 225. Key factors influencing performance include interest rate changes by the Federal Reserve and ECB, inflation trends, and global GDP forecasts. Now let's explore the top-performing sectors and investment trends. In Q1 2025, the tech boom in AI stocks, renewable energy growth, and cybersecurity investments have been significant. We'll also provide a crypto update on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and CBDC adoption. Finally, we'll discuss key financial risks and challenges, market volatility concerns, the potential impact of AI automation on jobs and businesses, and central bank policy risks are crucial. Stay informed, diversify investments, and watch interest rate moves closely.